it's another day at the beautiful workshop. The builders have kind of done what they need to do now. So as you can see, the builders have now ripped the toilet and the shower out that was over here. They've left it all exposed. There's like odd pipes hanging out the wall, holes, because these buildings are built amazing. This all needs rendering. The floor's gone, so we need to concrete that, self-level that. Don't even fucking know what that is. It's like a breather pipe. More holes. Here, in the corner, we're going to have a big stainless steel sink. We managed to find one for €200. It's over here. Look at the size of this beauty. Trip over it, as I show you. Here it is. It's quite wide. Nowhere for a fucking tap. So we're going to have to put a tap on the wall or something, and then this is where we can... We've got a hole in the bottom. It's full of junk at the moment. The bits of the ramps are at the powder coaters. We're going to go there later and choose the colour for the sides and underneath. Dyno hole, actually, we've had someone come in and level the dyno hole off. So the dyno's going to go in the hole. Still going to clean the floor. We're going to paint the floor. We're going to do all the floor first and everything else. We're going to flatten all the floor off. So this doorway needs to be open 3 metres. That's essentially a wet room because it's got a drain there. But I thought we could have strong buoyed it, but those bricks are really shit. From what I've learned, we need to needle it, which means we need some massive RSJs, 3 of them, because it's 3 metres. We need to make holes above where it's going to go, as you can see, just close the door. So this is like the legal requirement, which is like 150 mil, which is 15 centimetres, which needs to overhang for the support for the roof, but we're going to do it a bit bigger. So essentially we need to make holes here and put RSJs through with acros to hold all this mass up before we put it in. Got no building experience whatsoever, but we're going to go with it anyway. Because there's a drain down here. Shelving we still need to get rid of, which is fun. There's quite a lot of stuff to get rid of still. Let's show you what's going on in here. Where's my head torch?
The first one, isn't it?
What about now? Yeah?
No.
No?
Not all of it, no. Just the 2 out. That's the middle.
And is the outer one on?
No.
This thing here is our toilet at the moment. So our toilet needs to move from here to here. So basically we need the dump pipe here, or in the corner, whatever, but here. This is going to be bricked up, and then we can run a stack. And then the shower can be there, the sink can be there. But at the moment we've got some water issues. It's been raining quite a lot, which is good, because now we can see if this bit in here leaks. So we've got a leak here, coming from up here, it's damp. The other problem we've got is here, if you can see the floors are wet, right? And the wall's wet. The wall's actually wet to touch. So as you can see on the area on the floor, you can see all the damp that's come in. All the water that's come in. Now, this wall here is damp as fuck, like it is drenched. And this wall down on the outside is about 4 or 5 metres. So we either need to find something to spray on the wall outside to protect it, but we've got to cut down the wall outside, put like a membrane in to stop the water from seeping in the bricks inwards, or we've got to render it. But as you can see, it's very damp because the water's obviously getting in. So we need to sort out. We did have the roof done, felt on the roof, but we still need to knock all this shit off the walls. All this needs to come off up here because it's all flaky anyway. And then we just need to, once we've done this, we can plaster it all. The door still needs fitting. This door's all good for now. Stones everywhere. But I think we're going to dig some of this up. So we've got a shovel. So I'm going to try and trace this pipe, because at the moment, the pipe starts here and it ends here, but we need to put some sort of bend in here to make it this way, to bring it over to here. So let me go and get our new shovel. It's probably like a far too big shovel for that, so I'm not build over 5 or whatever. Right. Definitely concrete there. My mates are probably watching this now thinking, fuck me, Fraser's actually doing some work. Definitely going to be some work here. What the fuck is that?
Skull?
Probably like someone's fucking cat. Yeah, Drew's being cameraman at the moment.
Hello. Just gonna go and open the other door.
Yeah.
Probably need to get a new one copied before it fails. That's how you open doors in Spain, everybody. That's better. Should have done that from the beginning. Look at the light now.
I need to call DS.
What?
I need to call DS.
What's that?
I don't know. It sounds Spanish to me.
Cordias?
Yeah. What does it mean?
No idea.
Just heard it.
Por dias?
Yeah, por DS.
4 days.
Hey?
For days.
Got it wrong.
Digging for days. Why is it like raised fucking concrete? They love it over here, don't they?
I fucking love it.
As you can see the actual daylight through there, she goes, look. Whee.
Right, so after sweeping away, there's the shit pipe. Right, so that's the electric going in.
So the installation is pretty recent.
Oh, so that's for all that shit then?
Yeah, it looks like that's for the bathroom area.
Okay.
This is the shit pipe, as you can hear, look. It's all just...
Just don't split that pipe, Drew.
No, I'm not going to split the pipe. Take me for a fucking idiot.
You should have safety goggles on, but we're in Spain.
But what you do is just to go this. Right, every time you hit down, make sure you get your rhythm right. I don't want to break that, I just want to try
Just smash it. Here goes my iPhone screen. Ow, it hit me in the face. Probably get it from this end.
Close your eyes then.
Yeah, but then I can't see what I'm filming. Oh my God.
There you go.
The whole, go on, keep going.
Welcome to Spain.
The whole thing's lifting up. Oh yeah, boy.
There you go.
Oh yes.
So literally they just chucked on some sort of cement there.
True, it's nice to see you doing some work as well, mate.
Look, I'm not wearing my best, but...
You sweating yet?
You mentioned Hackett.
You're sweating.
Yeah, do I get a free Hackett jumper? Aston Martin Hackett, because we're a racing garage, bruh.
Bruh.
This is my work clothes, bruh.
How much was that jacket?
Aston Martin. Oh, back in the day, mate. She's got some years on her. And now look at me.
Grafting.
Trying to earn honest daily.
Right, do you want me to fucking do it? Because you're slow as fuck.
Is it hurting you?
Yes,
Is it painful?
You literally work the same as you play fucking Warzone,
my
mate.
look at my hands.
Oh, move out the way,
How
take the
soft
camera.
they are, they can't take it. Can you fuck off?
Take the
This is
camera.
how it works.
No, it's not how it works.
Piss off.
Why are you being so slow,
Piss
Drew?
off.
Come on.
Anger management.
Look at
See?
Spanish. Possibilities are endless.
I love it. Fuck you, builders. We're going to do it ourselves.
With no experience.
No experience whatsoever. I have absolutely no experience whatsoever.
I don't think you've ever worked a day in your life, have you?
No.
Have you ever,
Well, yeah, no.
have you worked a normal job like Tesco's, McDonald's?
No.
Or,
Why the fuck would you do that?
they pay decent. Oh my God, look at that whole piece. Hold on. Oh, all the cables are in there.
Oh. Ah.
Look, electric cables that aren't needed anymore. Done. Now we found the pipe. We need to take it all the way back. We need to dig around it, cut it, put a joiner in. Oh my God, that electric's shite, mate. We should really run the electrics under the flooring tubes, I think, before we...
Look here. The tube here.
Yeah, I know, yeah, I saw that. So that's what they do. But we're going to do all exposed stuff, I think.
It's so good they've done it so bad.
Yeah, it's good that...
Makes life sound easier.
I'm just going to try and... Mate, what a shithole. See, across there we had the roof done, but they didn't fold it right over either. This is, as you can see, the join line, where they just plonked the bricks on top. That's essentially what's happening here. There's the main wall, and there's the join line. Most of the water's coming through there. As I said, we need to find something to spray or render. God, it goes right down there as well, because that's that line there. Oh, look, that's how wet it is. Look, that's not even set. It's like soaked it up. And that's probably been there like 10 years. We've got so much to do. I mean, I'm here for another 2 weeks. So I'm going to try and get what we can get done in 2 weeks. We're going to sort of extraction out for the dyno. We're going to, now we know what we need to do with the pipe, we're going to go to the shop. We're going to try and find the pipe that we need. And, oh, Drew. When did you break the mirror? Right, so Drew, plan. We need to plan this, right? So I think we should go to the builder's merchant. How much was it to hire the disc cutter for the hole?
Why?
Because we need it for here.
It's a massive machine. I've never been in there.
No?
What for?
We just need like one of the gypsy grinders in, the ones that you pull the cord and go. So I can cut.
I know.
We need to go and get a bend first, but we need to dig down further around the pipe so I can cut the pipe back and we can get all the way around it to put the bit in. Mm-hmm. We'll probably have to put it in and then swing it over.
You have to dig a trench in.
So we need like a I think like a 120 straight and then a 90 up.
Right.
That's what we need. We just popped to this one place. They've got everything in here. This is madness. They've got cones, signs in Spanish. Andrew, fake people working. So basically we're just looking for pipe. This is all like flexi shit. We don't want flexi stuff. Well, we could use flexi. No, I don't think that's the right thing to use. We have to wear masks and everything. Are we allowed here? We're not allowed back here. We're some. Oh look, you can even save your life with a ring. This is amazing in here. This place is sick. All the pipe that you ever need. I don't think they sell solid pipe. I just think they sell this.
I know they sell
Daddy, would you like some sausage pipe?
tubes and stuff.
Big old rubber hose. Yeah, this is exhaust hose, isn't it?
Yeah, but this is proper in-class exhaust hose. This is a water injection hose because from the boats, obviously.
Yeah.
What I used to be doing. 12 years of doing that.
So this is exhaust pipe here then. So this is like flexible exhaust pipe.
Yeah, it's proper Lloyd's class.
Choose your pipe colour. No, they got mop and bucket though. I like mops and buckets. Wheelie bins. Look, we could buy a wheelie bin. Right, this place is sick. Vinyls. What is this? Drew. They've got a laser cutter, Drew. So they must cut all the perspex and stuff. Yep. Oh, they do. Look. Oh, cool. They cut all stuff, all laser and wood. We've got like a little work. We've got a big industrial cutter out the back. That's good then, Drew. If we want anything cut, any plates or anything, yep, we can just come around here. All the bins. Amazing. I'm amazed. What is this? It's like shower curtain material. Patio heaters, storage boxes, carpets. Mate, this place is sick. I fucking love Spain. Everything's just simple. Laid out. Here's this. Here's some rubber seals. I know, I want a wheel for my wheelbarrow. Wheel for your wheelbarrow. What else? Let's have a look. Oh, I want some blue silicone hose. What have they got here? Blue silicone hose. All the bends you need. Oh, they got green as well. Black. What the fuck? Oh, this is sick. Oh, broke the display. I'm actually amazed. What's this? Drug dealer baggies. If you're a drug dealer, this is the place to come. Perspex sheets. Oh, yeah. Cobbled boxes. Wrap. What's the plan now then?
Go to the next one. Keep looking.
This is my friend. He's a cat. I was looking forward to seeing you. I was looking forward to seeing you. Watch out, you're going to cut the cat's leg off. Bye, cat.
It might be non-binary.
It's not a female or a male cat. It's a toaster cat.